So what you're going to want to do to get started with Zod is npm install Zod, like that. And then once that's good to go, you can start including it in the example project or your own project. You can require it or import it if you'd like. I assign the Z to its own variable, and then I set up the URL schema that I want. So Z has, I want to make sure it's a string, and I want to make sure it's a URL type of string, and then that assigns it to a URL schema object. When a request comes in rather to the post API, I can check that the image URL that's provided in the post is against that URL schema by using the parse function. And if anything goes wrong with that, it will throw an error, and then I'll console log it at least, right? So to show an example of this working in action, let's say I make this post request to there now. And in this case, I'm going to send an invalid URL. Like this is not, percent signs are not permitted there. So we're going to send this request. This is another way you can send it. We can see something went wrong. And if I bring up the console, we could see it saying, hey, invalid URL.